What's up, y'all? Trucker's Life, and we about to get meal prep for tomorrow. I got some of my favorite shrimp, y'all. Favorite in the fucking world. Argentinian red shrimp. I got half the bag in here. Okay? Y'all ready? Let's get it. We got some fresh cilantro, as y'all see. Already chopped up, nice and fine. Fine like the lady I'm trying to find to spend the rest of my life with. Fine like her. Let's see if I can find her though. If you're watching the video, leave a comment or hit my DMs. I gotta shoot my shot when I can. We got some garlic. We're gonna put it right into the bag. Last thing that's gonna go in, I'm not putting the lime in today. I'm putting the lime in tomorrow, right before I cook it, because the lime will start cooking the shrimp, and the shrimp will be tough for the tacos. Oh damn! I wasn't supposed to tell y'all that part. We got some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika. Of course, we got the white pepper. Best pepper you can have for something, for like a seafood or like pork or chicken. This is the best pepper you can have. It's white pepper because it's not as strong. It's milder. And when you get white pepper, it's fine. It's a fine powder. And then of course, we got the Himalayan, or the Mediterranean sea salt. We're going straight into the bag. Go. And that's it. And then I got to put the lime in tomorrow right before I cook it. But you got to mix it around. Because it's going to turn the shrimp red, even redder than it was. The reason I like this shrimp, it's a better tasting shrimp. It's a higher quality shrimp. It honestly, like it says right here, buttery lobster taste and texture. They're not lying. If you can't afford lobster, this is a $10 bag and you get a whole pound. Okay, so we're gonna let these sit and let them marinate for 24 hours. And then I'll see y'all tomorrow when I cook it up. Put it in my fridge. As y'all see, this is my fridge. It's full. But hey, this Trucker's Life, and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? We back. And I'm just doing something simple tonight. Already, you guys saw the video from marinating the shrimp. It's just time to cook it. I'm about to cut up some limes. I got 2 limes here. 2. This is what I'm using for the shrimp. I don't marinate the shrimp and lime because, as y'all know, if y'all do any kind of cooking, you know, lime or lemon cooks shrimp and chicken. Hey, it is what it is, but I'll be right back. Alright, here we go, y'all. I put 1 lime in already. As y'all see, I got these 2 right here. We got the shrimp going in. Look at them shrimps, y'all. Them shrimps look delicious, don't they? Them beautiful scrimps. Squirt another lime on top. And then the other lime is for the tacos. y'all. We'll be back. cooking. But man, tell me these shrimp don't look delicious. Tell me they don't look delicious. Tell me. We got that lemon and cilantro floating in there. And this shrimp, I'm telling you, if you guys want to try a shrimp, try Argentinian red shrimp. Man, it'll blow your mind. It'll make you forget about any other shrimp. Especially because they're buttery. They melt in your mouth. You can overcook them a little bit and they still melt in your mouth. It's not like the white shrimp where if you overcook it a little bit, they become like mush. Well, not mush, but they get hard. They have a crunch to them. These don't. If you like lobster, you'll like this. But hey, we'll be back. Alright, y'all, let's do this real quick. We're gonna take some shrimp. That tortilla. Nah, you know what? Leave that extra. Cilantro, a little bit more cilantro. Some cotija cheese. Y'all, I don't have no jalapenos. I have sour cream, but I don't want to put sour cream today. That's what we're working with. And we out. Alright, y'all, let's see if we can get a taste test. And I'll be back. Alright, well, we got a taste test.
Yeah, we're just browsing around.
Oh, okay, yeah. Gotcha.
Trying to see if we find something.
It does. You just have to hold it there for a good second. That is really good.
That's the thing. That's why I do it. A lot of people are so surprised at how good you can actually cook in the truck.
That's delicious.
Oh, I knew it was. I haven't even ate yet and I already knew.
It's so good.
You're wondering how, huh?
I am, yeah.
You know the little ovens that look like lunch pails?
Yeah.
That's what that was made in.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You just got to know how to do it.
Can I keep this?
Yeah, you can have the second one if you don't want to share.
I don't.
Well, you have a good one. And thank you for the taste test. I told you I was cooking, so.
Don't forget to tag me.
Alrighty. Let me